Black grouse is part of the grouse family. It's a bigger bird, it's black, that's the male. The female is called the grey hen, and she's also bigger than a red grouse, and they live on the moorland fringes. Lekking is when the male black grouse they gather in an area on the edge of the moor to try and attract a mate, the best grey hen. They puff their feathers up, they strut around and they display themselves very proud, and they make a bubbling noise, and they have like red wattles on top of their head, and they fill with blood, and basically to try and attract the best grey hen.
Other rare birds you're going to see in this area are going to be curlews in abundance, lapwings, redshank, golden plover, oyster catchers, grey partridge. You've obviously got your red grouse and many other like meadow pipits. It's endless. The biggest threat to these rare birds is if the management that's currently going on at the minute disappears, because that is what is kept the numbers up. You'll find more of these rare birds on managed ground than you will anywhere else in the UK.
The preservation of the birds is so important to the community in here. They're beautiful birds, and they're so rare, and we get walkers coming, the tourists coming to have a look at them, and it's very, very important.